There we go.
You're getting to be tired.
Where'd she go?
She's been hiding from you. Listen to all the panting.
I know.
It's like a dog course. What you doing, Moose? Where is she?
Yeah, I know.
What you doing, Isabel? That's so funny, the way she just kind of throws
Yeah.
herself down. He does that all the time. He just like, oh.
So much work. It's
Yeah.
so hard to be a
Moose!
dog. Izzy will take care of it. You go, Iz.
He's tired, puppy. Oh, there she goes.
Come on, come on.
We're gonna build an obstacle course in your yard, and hopefully no one will break any.
I know. That's why I've been filling the holes, and they just dig them back up. So that's why I put that round thing there. 'Cause now I'll probably have wasps building nests in it. Toby, we all know the ball's there. Yes.
Isabel.
That's fine.
Moose. Oh, tag team digging.
Yeah.
Good.
Woo. Well, if they don't, my dogs will. So.
Are you tired? Are you tired too? Oh my goodness. You're so
Yeah.
excited about this.